Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math. And today we're going to learn about differentiation. We're going to apply the quotient rule. We're going to differentiate each function with respect to x. So if I was given this function, y equals 4x to the fifth plus x squared plus 4 all over 5x squared minus 2. So I see I have a quotient here. I'm going to label my numerator f, which is 4x to the fifth plus x squared plus 4, and my denominator g, 5x squared minus 2. I then am going to find f prime and g prime. F prime is just 20x to the fourth plus 2x, and g prime is just 10x. Okay? Double checking that. Yep, we're good. We're good. So then from there, I'm going to find now my derivative, dy dx, and I'll apply my quotient rule. F prime, writing first, 20x to the fourth plus 2x times g, which is 5x squared minus 2, minus f, which is 4x squared to the fifth power, that's squared to the fifth power, plus x squared plus 4, times g prime, which is just 10x, all over g squared, 5x squared minus 2 all squared. So now let's go simplify. At this point, I've already done my calculus, so the rest now is just algebra. So here's my derivative. So let's simplify that now. dy dx, make it look a little cleaner. 20x to the fourth times 5x squared is 100. X to the, add the exponent, sixth power. 20 times a negative 2 is a negative 40x to the fourth. 2x times 5x squared is 10 plus 10x to the third, and 2x times a negative 2 is a negative 4x. Okay. Now, we make sure we distribute this minus sign. I find it easier sometimes to just put it right here with that negative 10 when I multiply out so I don't forget it. So 4x to the fifth times negative 10 is a negative 40x to the sixth power. We add the exponent. X squared times negative 10x is plus a negative 10x to the third. And then 4 times negative 10x is a negative 40x. All over my denominator, which I'm going to simplify right here. 5x squared minus 2 times 5x squared minus 2. Hopefully you're getting better at that. Multiply them out here. I have a 25x to the fourth minus 10x squared minus 10x squared plus 4. We have 25x to the fourth plus 20x squared plus 4. So I'm going to write that right here. 25x to the fourth plus 20x squared plus 4. So now when I simplify this, I'm going to rearrange my like terms in my numerator and combine them. So we have dy dx. My numerator, I see the highest power I have is the sixth power. So 100x to the sixth plus a negative 40x to the sixth is 60. X to the sixth power. Okay, mark them so I know that I've used them. Now the next highest degree I see is the fourth power. There's only one of them. So we have minus 40 x to the fourth right there. Then the next highest power I see is to the third power, plus 10x to the third, plus minus 10x to the third. I wrote it down before simplifying. Okay. Well, we have 10x to the third minus a 10x to the third. Combine them, they cancel out, so I don't actually write anything there. Got a little ahead of myself. Then I have negative 4x plus a negative 40x, so that's a negative 44 or minus 44x. All over my denominator, 25x to the fourth plus 20x squared plus 4. And there we have our final answer. Just double checking here, making sure everything's right. Looking good, looking good, looking good. Why do I have minus down there? Oh my goodness. Quick mistake here. Let's just go fix it. Can't believe I did that. Negative 10x squared minus 10x squared is a negative. I missed that. It happens sometimes. I get ahead of myself thinking everything's positive. So we have 25x to the fourth minus 20x squared plus 4. So that is actually our final answer. If you caught that, I bet you were watching that thinking about it like, oh, what's he doing? What's he doing? Fix it right there. So put in the comment section below if you caught that mistake. dy dx, it's okay. We all make mistakes, right? dy dx is equal to 60x to the 6th minus 40x to the 4th minus 44x all over 25x to the fourth minus 20x squared plus 4. Caught it before I guess I ended the video. That's good. So here, let's recap. We have y equals 3x to the fifth plus x squared plus 4 over 5x squared minus 2. I have my f and g. I label my numerator and denominator, my two functions, right, that I'm dividing here. I then found f prime and g prime. I then applied my quotient rule, which was f prime times g minus f times g prime all over g squared. At that point, I had my derivative, so I just needed to simplify. So everything that down here is algebra, which I eventually mess up on, so make fun of me messing up my algebra, whatever. Okay? And so we simplified to get a final answer here of dy dx is equal to 60x to the sixth minus 40x to the fourth minus 44x all over 25x to the fourth minus, don't forget that's minus sign there, 20x squared plus 4.